Hi, it's Frank Maselli. I just want to take a minute and give you a feel for the kinds of things I am doing with white glove advisors, the kinds of coaching I'm providing, and I think it'll help you because we've been really very successful at putting the butts in the seats, as we say. White glove will put the butts in the seats. They will fill the room for you. But now the question is, what happens when you're in front of that room? Because that's the magic moment. The success of a workshop is totally dependent on your skill in front of that room. And that's where I come in. Okay, I've been coaching advisors for over 30 years in how to do seminars. I've written probably what is the industry Bible on seminars, called Seminars, the Emotional Dynamic, which, by the way, is free for you. So contact your white glove person. They'll send you a PDF copy of that book immediately, and you should read that. But what do I do as a coach? Well, several things. The biggest and most valuable thing I do are video or audio reviews. I will review and analyze and discuss with you and coach you through a complete discussion of your performance. This is an extremely helpful tool. It's probably the most valuable thing that you can do for yourself. So if you record your workshop, send it to me. I'll analyze it. We'll have a very detailed discussion. It'll be very helpful. I will help you in the pre-planning if you need help to get ready for the workshop, some things to think about before the workshop. We do work with advisors on the power opening. We do work on the power close. The power close is a combination of the appointment close, how to set more appointments, and then also what we call the emotional close. And the overarching theme behind the things that I do for advisors is to help you maximize the business results of your workshop. It's that simple. We want you to hit the ball out of the park, okay? And I can absolutely help you do that. The underlying ground rule for that process is what I call the emotional dynamic. And I'll help you understand how to get up in front of that room, inspire, motivate, and turn on that audience to the point where they want to work with you. You see, that's the fun part about workshops. When you really nail it, when you do a fantastic job in front of that room, the people will trip over themselves to become your clients. They will want to work with you. So, the whole question of setting appointments kind of goes away when you're devastating up in front of that room. And we can help you get there. Now, we can't help everybody get, to 100% appointment ratio. That's not likely. But we can definitely get you to 50% or higher. And if you've got some skills, we'll get you to 75, 80% appointment ratio very comfortably. So that's my job. I help people. And the best part, totally free. You work with White Glove, you get me for free, and we'll have some fun. So thanks very much. Good luck, and let me help you. I really love doing this, and I know I can. So thanks, and good luck out there.